have to go and do something now, Morphle.
Morphle can?
Sorry, it's a secret, so you have to stay here. It's okay. I'll be back soon.
Mila!
Bye-bye, Morphle.
Oh! What's wrong, Morphle?
Where's Mila?
I don't know, but I'm sure she'll be back soon.
Morphle, morph, morph. Mila! Mila!
Hello, Morphle. Oh dear, what's wrong?
Mila here?
She's not here. Sorry.
Morph, morph, morph.
Huh?
Mila here?
What? No, Mila's not here. Put me down, Morphle. Whoa!
Mila here?
Huh? No, Morphle, she's not here.
Huh?
Mila here?
No, Morphle. I'm sure she's around somewhere.
Mila!
Morphle's crying? Not in my city. Come on, Morphle. Dry those tears. Mila is waiting for you at home. Not so fast, Morphle. You haven't checked the backyard yet.
Surprise!
We wanted to throw you a party to thank you for being such an awesome magic pet. Every day's a magical day with a magic pet and good friends.
Let's make the most awesome Father's Day card ever! Aha! It's good, but we need to make it really special.
Oh, wow!
Yodel, yodel, yodel.
Great work, Mimi!
Yodel, yodel, yodel.
Oh no! Daddy will be home soon! Quick, Morphle! Morph into a helicopter! I can't see it anywhere!
Yodel, yodel.
Who turned on lights?
Whoa! Dancing lampposts? Not in my city.
Animi, zap the lamppost back to normal!
Yodel,
No, not again!
yodel, yodel.
Huh? Ooh.
Animi, we need to zap the crane back to normal! Sorry, Builder Mary.
Yodel, yodel.
Ah, there's Daddy! We need to get the cord and then get back to the dinner before he does. How do you catch a card on the loose? I know! An envelope! You can do it, Morphle! Oh, no! It's gonna get completely destroyed! You did it, Morphle! Now, let's get back home before Daddy does.
There we go. Home at last.
Surprise! Happy Father's Day, Daddy. The card got really messed up.
Oh, it's the thought that counts. This is the best Father's Day card ever. Come here. Oh.
Every day's a magical day with a magic pen.
Hey, everyone! Look what I made! For my best friend.
Yay!
Morphle? I wanted to give him his badge.
What's this?
Oh, I don't know where he is.
Don't worry, Mila. We'll find him together.
Thanks, April.
Where should we look first?
Let's go to all the places he loves, starting with
The ice cream truck.
Mila badge! Oh, a best friend badge for me! Morphle neat badge! You're not taking my badge! Can't find us here.
Geraldo! Have you seen Morphle? Oh no! Morphle's in trouble! I have to help.
But how do we get up there?
Morphle! Mila! Are you okay?
Bandits mean!
Morphle, morph into a super suit so we can stop them together.
Morph!
Oh!
We need to go faster. You stop right there, bandits.
Oh, fine. Here's your badge. Wait, you didn't make that for me?
Morphle, did you make this for me? I love it! Are you sad because you didn't get a badge?
Mila make Morphle badge!
Of course! You're not only my best friend, you make every day a magical day.
Now, Mila, you're not well, so you stay at home and rest.
Mila sick?
Yes, Morphle. I have to go into town to pick up some medicine, so you have to make sure Mila doesn't get into any trouble.
But I feel fine.
Down, boy. Get down!
I wonder what's going on.
But Daddy say...
Come on, Morphle. Let's make today magical.
Okay.
Huh? How did Barky get up there?
He was chasing a cat. Can you help him get down, Mila and Morphle?
Sure. Morb into a... Morb?
I think she means morph.
Yes! Morb into a Tenchi! No! I meant a pterodactyl!
Oh, my cake! My beautiful cake! I'll just have to make another one.
Don't worry, Mr. Vanderboos. We will bring Barky back. Barky! Barky! There he is! Oh, a car! It's Morbid time! Morb into Oh, I was going to say trug. You know, beep, beep, trug.
Mila?
Come on, Morphle. We need to find Barky.
Who Mila talk to?
Oh, there you are, Morphle. Where's Barky?
Bridge!
After him! Barky, hang on! Quick, morph into a dolphin!
Huh?
Oh, a dolphin! You know,
Oh!
gotcha! Let's get you back to Mr. Vanderboos.
Thanks for saving Barky, Mila and Morphle. Let's get you home, my little furball.
Come on, Morphle. Let's see who else needs help. Morbid to,
I think that's enough adventure for one day, Mila. You need some sleep.
Every day is a magical day with a magic pet. Look, Morphle, like this.
Morphle too!
Don't worry, Morphle. You'll get the hang of it, but you'll never be as good as this little guy. Meet Boba, our newest magic pet. Boba loves blowing bubbles. He tends to bubble over with joy from it. Whoa! See?
That looks like fun.
Boba, this is high enough.
I can't get out. Morphle, morph into something big.
Huh? Dump truck! Now Morphle saved Mila! Mila? Uh-oh!
What is... Huh? Help! Help me!
Morphle, help! Whoa!
Oh no! There's a car falling from the sky! Phew!
There you are, Boba. Listen, you can't just blow your magic bubbles everywhere. It's causing lots of problems.
Daddy!
Morphle, can you pop my bubble? Oh, whew. Thanks, Morphle.
Oh no! Ah! Uh-oh.
Mila!
You saved me! Thank you, Morphle!
Yeah!
Nice. I was a bit on the bubble whether I'd see my car again.
Well, Boba, next time you bubble over, please don't take it so literally.
There, it's okay, baby Morphles. Morphle, can you morph into something to cheer these babies up? Oh, you're the cutest thing ever, Morphle! Hello, babies! What are we going to do?
Why don't you take the babies outside for some fresh air?
Good idea, Daddy! Well, that didn't work. Any ideas, Morphle? Yes! A bumper car ride always cheers me up. Bumper babies! Whee! Isn't this fun? Huh? Look! Ice cream! That'll stop the babies crying. Drodo, can we have 3 ice creams super fast, please?
3 ice creams coming right up! Here's some ice cream for the baby.
Thanks, Drodo!
Ciao!
Listen, Morphle, they've stopped crying! We have to catch them! Let's go! There they are! Faster, Morphle! Almost! Yes! It's okay. I've got you. That was close. This is fun. Baby's okay? Well, if that didn't cheer these cranky babies up, I don't know what will. I wish you could just tell us what's wrong. Morphle, do you hear that? No crying now that Gecko Buddy's free. Gecko Buddy's powers are just so funny. Every day's a magical day with a magic pet.
Look! My latest invention, the Teddy Zapper. It can turn humans into teddy bears. Woo! I'm so soft. Isn't this great?
Morphle, play with Teddy Bear, Mila.
Goodbye, Professor Paula. Bye, Mila and Morphle. Now, time to turn myself back. Oh no! My teddy paws can't use the Teddy Zapper.
Did you hear all that? Yeah, I love teddy bears. Ooh, just think of all the fun we could have if everyone in the city was a tiny little teddy bear.
Oh!
Mila Teddy Bear, best Teddy Bear.
Oh!
Bandits!
And they have the Teddy Zapper.
Not in my city.
We'll stop those bandits. Morphle, morph into a tiger. Let's go.
What do you two want?
Your magic pet.
What? No way. Hey! Turn me back immediately.
Wait right there, bandits. You're not getting your hands on our magic pets.
Morphle, morph into a scary T-Rex.
Morphle, morph, morph!
We didn't think that through.
We still need to get the teddy zapper. Quick, catch them.
How about we turn you into a teddy bear?
The teddy zapper only works on humans.
Oh no! Now I'm a teddy bear!
Oh, you're so cute!
Great! Now we can zap everyone back again.
That's better. But not for you two.
Oh, at least I'll have a cuddly teddy bear with me in jail.
Let go of me!
Every day's a magical day with a magic pet. Yay! April! Morphle! Morph into a ball.
I wish I could morph into fun things too.
I've got an idea! Glitterpug can transform us into magic pets!
Can you turn us into Morphle?
Let's play a game! The one who bounces the highest wins!
Make a morpher!
What? Ah, great!
Morph helicopter!
Whoa! Whoa!
Morphle wing!
Is that Mr. Vanderboos? Oh, this can't be good.
Let's follow them.
Try landing, April!
This is not easy.
Oh no! They hit the crane!
Morph bouncy ball!
Orphle's okay, but the crane's still rocking.
Don't worry, Builder Mary. I am here to help!
Quickly, Morphle! Morph into an airplane!
Phew!
I want to be a robot this time!
Oops! Sorry!
I have another idea to catch him. Let's work together. Stop right there!
No!
Yeah, we did it! You two caused a lot of trouble in the city.
I'm sorry, Mila and Morphle. I shouldn't be a Morphle anymore. Can you transform us back, please, Glitterpug?
No! I was having so much fun!
It was fun, but being a Morphle was so hard. I'm happy to be myself again.
There can only be one Morphle and one April, and I love you both. I'm Mila the Magnificent!
Marvelous Morphle!
The amazing April!
Never fear, Super Jordie is here!
Orphle be superhero too!
Orphle?
Super Orphle fix all problems!
That doesn't sound good. I agree.
Morphle, morph into a super suit so we can all keep an eye on Orphle. Let's go! Yeah!
A mighty fine new wind turbine.
Super Orphle to the rescue!
Orphle, wait! It's not supposed to go that fast.
Don't worry, Farmer Bob. We'll help you.
No!
Quick, Morphle! Catch the turbine! Phew! That was close! We'll just put this back where it belongs, Farmer Bob. There!
Oh, you saved the farm.
It's what superheroes do.
Stop! Help!
Another citizen to save.
Bye, Farmer Bob.
Super Orphle to the rescue!
Orphle! What are you doing? Put the bus down!
Okay!
Morphle, magnet hand!
I hope you're okay, ma'am.
I am. Thank you, Jordie.
Call me Super Jordie.
My hero.
Can't catch me!
Orphle, stop!
Orphle best superhero! Orphle no superhero!
Morphle, wait! Stop fighting!
Time for super push!
Quick, Morphle! Morph into a giant balloon! Yeah!
Orphle dizzy!
Being a superhero isn't about fighting. It's about helping people.
Orphle and Morphle helping!
Yay! Every day's a magical day with a magic pet.
Welcome to Petport's annual hot air balloon race!
I've always wanted to compete in a balloon race, Morphle.
Yay! Hooray!
Ready to fly, kids?
Ready as I'll ever be.
I was born ready.
We're guaranteed to win by cheating.
Competitors, you are going to race all around the city. May the best balloon win. On your marks. Get set. Go!
I know! The bandits didn't wait for Daddy to say go.
Yeah!
Right. Here's what we're going to do to win. Coming through. We'll see about that. Wait for it. Gotcha!
We're number one. We're number one. We're number one. You're number one. You're number one.
Help! Look! We have to help our friends, Morphle. Great job, Morphle.
You and Mila are such good sports.
Good job, Morphle. We're gaining on them. We have to go faster. Our balloon's too heavy. You two, get out.
Oh, wait! The balloon's too light now! Winston!
Huh? Why am I going up? Go forward, you silly balloon. The finish line's that way.
Ooh, we're almost at the finish line!
Winston? We're so close to winning. But we have to stop Winston from floating away. Morphle, morph into an airplane! Morphle! Morphle! Winston, jump! Welcome aboard.
And the winners are April, Jordie, and Professor Paula. And a special award for choosing to do the right thing, Mila and Morphle.
Woohoo! Every day's a magical day with a magic pet.
Oh, Morphle, isn't it great that there's nothing weird going on in the animal sanctuary?
Something weird's going on in the animal sanctuary.
The tiger thinks it's a penguin. The monkeys think they're tigers. The penguins think they're elephants. Oh, these mixed up animals need our help. Quick, morph into a tiger. Perfect. Now, go show that confused tiger how it's supposed to act.
Morphle, help tiger! Elephant monkey!
Morph into a crane and put that tree back. Come back, monkey! Oh, I mean elephant! Professor Paula? What's happening?
Mila! Morphle! The giraffe thought my Hypno ray was a snack and grabbed it when I wasn't looking!
Giraffe, tiger?
So that's why all the animals are acting cuckoo. They think they're different animals. Morphle, morph into a dragon and get that Hypno ray back. Hurry! Morphle!
Oh no! What'll we do now?
We get that ray before it gets us too! Now let's help the other animals. Watch out for hungry giraffes next time, Professor Paula. Ready to play hide and seek? Yay! Remember, don't leave the yard in case those pesky bandits are on the loose. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready or not, here I come.
Are we there yet? Carry me. I have a better idea. Let's steal that bike.
Found you.
You're too good at this game, Mila.
But I can't find Morphle. Can you see him anywhere?
Nope. He's hiding really well.
Morphle! Morphle! Come out wherever you are. Let's ask Magic Pet Glitterpug to turn us into Morphles. Wow, thanks!
Yay!
I'll morph into a race car to find him quickly.
If I can fly, I'll be able to look for Morphle all over the city. Awesome! I'm a superhero! I see Morphle! But the bandits have him! Oops!
Morphle!
Ah, stop! The bridge is going up!
We can make it!
I command you to stop! Hey!
Morphle! Morph into a helicopter to fly over the bridge!
Thanks, Mila! Now we have our own helicopter!
Yeah.
Hey! What's going on?
I've got an idea! Follow me!
Morphle, no bandit helicopter!
Quick! Let's steal these bikes and get away! Uh-oh!
Mila!
Yes! It's me, Morphle! Jump in! Let's get these bandits back where they belong!
Sorry! Morphle do what Mila say next time.
It's okay. Every day is a magical day with morphing magic friends.
Balloon!
Here, Mila.
Thanks, Daddy.
Oh, balloons!
The garden looks great, Daddy. But I think we need more balloons.
More? I think you're right. Come on, let's get some.
Woohoo! Yeah!
Whoa! Oh.
Oh no! We've got a flat tire!
Floating air!
Oh no!
Stop! Whoa!
We'll rescue you as soon as we can, Daddy. But first, we need to get that helium from Orphle.
You go, Mila. I'll stay with the van.
Woohoo! Woohoo! What a fun landing! Let's go.
What? Not in my car.
Hey, I've heard of an ice cream float, but this is crazy.
Hang on!
You better be quick, because we're drifting towards the sea.
Huh?
Help!
April, can I please use your string to stop those cars from floating away?
Sure. You better be quick.
Thanks. I know how we can get them down. I can be a cowgirl and you can be my horse.
Morphle horsey! Yeehaw!
Yee-haw! Giddy up, Morphle! Ah! Orphle, hold this! We're not strong enough!
Mila! Help!
I know! Morph into a gorilla and grab those ribbons!
Too high!
Then morph into a giant gorilla!
Help, Mila! Oh.
Pull them down, Morphle, and we'll let the air out of the tires.
Thanks, Mila.
Thank you for rescuing us.
Every day is a magical day with a magic pet. Ready to go rescue Orphle?
Ready!
Hey, Daddy! Look at me!
I can't see you, Mila.
Look up!
Morphle and Mila the Superhero.
Orphle wanna join.
Huh? Orphle, what are you doing?
Orphle Super Suit!
Yay! Now we can all be superheroes. Let's make today magical. Oh, I have an idea. Let's have a race.
Morphle race, Orphle. Orphle race, Morphle.
First one to reach the mountaintop wins. Ready?
Set, go! Orphle, wait! Whoa! Huh? Oh no, now they're ahead. Let's jump. Whoa!
Wow!
Oh yeah! Huh? What? Orphle, that wasn't nice.
Huh? Well done, Orphle! I've never felt so strong! Woohoo! I think I know a shortcut. Go that way, Morphle. Woo-hoo!
Ha! I think we're winning, Orphle.
Yay!
Huh? Orphle, let's morph wheels in a jetpack to jump over the river.
Yay!
Morphle, morph wings so we can get up the mountain.
Morphle, morph, morph. Morphle too tired. Orphle tired too. Mila won?
I think it's a tie.
Yay! Orphle no win?
We all won.
It's not about winning. It's about having fun that really counts. Every day's a magical day with a magic pet. Or two.
I'm so excited you're moving in, Jordie.
Wow, Daddy Diana married.
Being a new stepbrother and living with the magic pets is going to be awesome, Mila.
Jordie family.
We're going to get the rest of our things so we can properly move into our new home.
Okay, Mom.
Mila, why don't you and Morphle help Jordie settle in?
Sure thing, Daddy. Let's start with this. It's so heavy. Animi, can you please zap the bed to life? Wow. Jordie's bed. Could you please trot upstairs? My bed just ran away! That's the weirdest thing I've ever said. You'll get used to that. Come on, let's catch it! There's my bed. We've got to get close enough for Animi to zap it again.
Morphle now!
Let's get that bed! Whoa! Is this safe? Don't worry, Jordie. Morphle's got you.
Huh? A galloping bed? Not in my city.
Sorry, Officer Freeze. Yeah! Zap it, Animi! Ooh! Maybe we should just buy a new bed. Let's use our nets. Almost. Got it! morph into a helicopter. Mila, what's happening? I've got an idea, but you're not gonna like it. You're right! I don't like it! Yeah! Get closer, Morphle! Got you! Hold on tight! Whoa! Time to take this bed hunt to the next level. There's another level? Well done, Morphle. Now let's cover it. Here comes my bed. Now, Morphle! It's working! Great job, Morphle! That's it, bed. Nowhere to go. Stop it, Animi!
Is everyone okay? What have you been up to?
We've just been making my bed.
Hey, why don't we ask Animi to help get your bed upstairs?
No thanks. We'll help you carry it.
Hello, Mila and Morphle.
Hi, Aunt Augustine.
Present for Auntie.
We made it from our recycled plastic bottles.
Oh, it's absolutely beautiful. Oh, thank you. Come on, let's get you some cake.
Morphle loves cake.
Oh, my necklace! It's gone!
Don't worry, Aunt Augustine. We'll find it.
Ooh.
This is a case for Detective Mila. Aha! Our first clue. Ooh, a candy wrapper.
A fine necklace.
I know. Morphle, morph into a sniffer dog. Follow the smell of candy. Good job, Morphle. You found more candy.
Huh?
What's wrong, Morphle?
Candy all gone.
There must be other clues around. Aha! Our second clue. Now we know who took Aunt Augustine's necklace.
Bunny Rabbit?
No, silly. The bandits.
This must be worth loads of money.
Give that back.
Auntie necklace.
Let's get out of here. Eat my dust.
Hey! Come back here. Morph into a hang glider. There they are!
Bandits too fast!
Morphle, land over there. Morphle, morph into a spider.
Morphle, morph!
Get ready to make a big web between the buildings. Now, Morphle! Yay! We did it!
Great work, Detective Mila and Morphle. You caught the necklace thieves.
My necklace!
I'll take that.
Thank you.
If you hadn't flown into that giant web, we could have sold that necklace for loads of money.
Winston, Morphle and I made that necklace out of recycled plastic.
Oh, you said it was made of diamonds.
Oh, this may be made of plastic, but it's the most precious thing I own because you two made it. Thank you. Mwah.
Every day's a magical day with a magic hat.
Great skipping, Animi.
Hey, are you all ready to go and see the new statue in town? Oh, let's go!
Cool!
People of Petport, it gives me great pleasure to unveil this magnificent statue for our brave city, the Giant Lion!
cool idea.
Anemi? Wait!
This is a big catastrophe.
I need to find Anemi.
And we need to stop that naughty Orphle and that giant lion. Let's go! We gotta save Aunt Augustine. Woohoo! Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Phew. Aunt Augustine's safe. Mila and Morphle, Morphle, hi! Phew, that was close.
Mila, I found Anemi. Can you get the giant lion back to the park?
We'll find a way, Daddy.
Be careful.
Let's catch ourselves a giant lion.
Hey!
Lion chase! Over there! Let's use that giant tire to catch the lion. Hook it, Morphle! Got it, Mila! Awesome! Let's go back that way. Bullseye! Yeah! Orphle stuck! Orphle down! Okay. Go, lion, go!
You caused a lot of chaos today, Orphle.
Sorry. How would you like it if you were chased by something scary? I would not be scared.
I told you we'd always catch you if you do mean things, bandits.
Thanks, Mila and Morphle.
If only we had our own morphing magic pet, we could cause more trouble in the city. Look, it's Orphle. Can you get us out of here?
Oh no, my cars!
Ron, how did you get out of jail? Not in my city.
Oh no, it's Officer Freeze. Quick, Orphle, morph into something big.
T-Rex?
I thought you'd be scarier.
A monkey? Hey, give back my camera.
Please.
Come and get it.
Those bandits used a robot to do this.
A robot? We'll catch them, Mechanic Joe.
The bandits have a scary T-Rex dinosaur.
A dinosaur and a robot? How strange. We'll catch them, Officer Freeze.
Those mean bandits and their naughty monkey put my camera up there.
Let's find those mean bandits, Morphle. A robot, a dinosaur, and a monkey? I think those bandits have Orphle with them. We'll catch them, April.
Oh no! It's Mila and Morphle! Quick, Orphle! Morph into something big!
Morphle! Morphle! morph into a T-Rex, too.
Morphle! Morph, morph!
That's not big enough!
Huh?
Morphle, morph into a robot, too.
Morphle! Morph, morph!
I don't feel so good.
Orphle, stop that.
Okay. Orphle tired now.
I told you we'd always catch you if you do mean things, bandits.
Oh.
Every day's a magical day with a magic pet. It's Halloween, Morphle! What are you gonna dress up as?
Ghost!
Oh, spooky! Come on, let's go trick-or-treating!
Ghost!
Huh? Oh, Morphle, it's only your reflection!
Wait for Morphle!
Trick or treat! Ah!
A ghost!
Did you see how much candy they got?
Yeah! Be a ghost and get the most!
Mila! Morphle! Two real ghosts just stole my Halloween candy.
But, Jordie, ghosts aren't real.
Then what are they?
Candy.
No! Morphle, morph into a big robot and scare those ghosts away. Morphle?
I'll take that!
Oh, I'll zap you with my zapper!
Oh no, a zapper.
Morphle? Jordie! Mila! Help! Not again!
I'll take that!
And I'll take this.
I recognize those shoes!
Uh-oh.
Give it back!
Without Morphle, you can't stop us!
Mila!
Morphle! I was worried about you! Morph into a bat and flap your wings hard!
Morphle! Morph, morph!
No!
I knew it was you two!
Let's split.
Our candy!
Morphle! Morph into a spider and catch those bandits in your web!
Thanks, Mila and Morphle.
You're welcome. Thanks for helping even though you were scared.
Morphle no scared anymore.
Oh, every day's a magical day with a magic pet.